Yan. Hay. 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 Kutsi.
やらせるんだ
はい、最後だから、最後のやらしだから、はい、ワン、最後、足、もう一回、もう一回、もう一回、うおはい、じゃあ、ちょっと待って、こっち、ちょっと、
なんだよ。
はい、ちょっと、上がって、足が、ワン
hearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one they had way back when they were too young to know when love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. Got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried, but something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't
Yan, dito na kami sa barko, guys. Gusto lang naming maranasan na sumakay ang aming jeep gladiator dito sa barko. So, for 40 to 45 minutes, makakarating na kami sa aming paruroonan.
Saka na mayroon.
Ang sarap mag-travel sa barko. Pero, mapapaikli ang aming biyahe. Instead na umikot kami na mag-road travel. So, gagawin na lang namin na may ferry and road travel again. Kasi pupunta kami ng Izu Shizuoka-ken. So, ito muna ang gagawin namin. Pero, dadating kami doon sa Yokosuka. So, for 45 minutes lang naman. So, sa Kurihama. So, let's go, guys. Samahan nyo kami, guys. Ito yung travel namin ng New Year travel naming mag-asawa. Isang travel na handog sa aming anniversary, wedding anniversary, New Year, Christmas na din. So, let's go! Yan, habang kumakain ako ng ice cream ko dito, na Häagen-Dazs, viewing natin ang mga nag-fishing sa labas. Ayan, makikita natin. Maganda ang panahon sa araw na to. So, ang daming nag-fishing. Ganyan kami, guys, pag nag-fishing.
Yan ang adventure na pupuntahan namin. Ayan, may barko pa tayong makikitang malaki. Isang cargo na barko. Ayan, ang laki nyo. So, talagang excited pagka nagsakay ng barko, guys. Ayan. Balik kami sa loob. Ayan, kasi parating na kami. Korehama. Nandito na kami for 45 minutes. Ang bilis, diba? So, after here, ikot-ikot lang kami dyan. Tapos magla-lunch. Tapos, after lunch, travel uli kami dun sa aming pinaka-goal na pupuntahan. Ayan. So, babaan na. Hintayin na lang namin na pwede na kaming bumaba with our jeep. Thanks for watching! See you guys! Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating music ni Sarah Geronimo. Bye guys!